Hello there, my name is Shah. I studied Automotive Engineering with Electric Vehicle course from Oxford Brookes University. Today I'm going to share you about my experience while studying there. When I applied for my university, I was having many questions regarding how the university is, where's my accommodation, any chances of part-time or not. So yeah, today I'm going to share you about this experience. The course was well designed and the professors were so good. I do face an issue while finding an accommodation because all my accommodation, all the university accommodation was full, and at last I can't get any accommodation, so I have to find my own accommodation. It was tough, but there are many agencies and many companies in Oxford where you can find one. Secondly, check the weather, how the weather is. In Oxford it was cold, so I bought so many warm clothes. Regarding my part-time, I started working there as a student ambassador, where I have learned a lot of things, and it was good to have so many connections from all over the world students. I also started as working with non-medical health support team, where I have to take notes of people who are not able to write or maybe not able to understand things. So basically, I have to write the notes and provide them. And I was well earning good amount of money while working in university instead of working outside. Yeah, so that was my short experience. And looking to this situation of COVID-19, I suggest you guys to uh, find an online course and just apply for it and get some more knowledge. Yep, thank you.